everyone, I'm Random Liz, and I'm here to show you how even beginners such as myself can use AI to create quality videos with no experience required. So, what exactly is AI video design? Essentially, it's using artificial intelligence to help you create visual content. Think of it as your creative sounding board. AI can help with everything from generating initial ideas and storyboards to creating animations, adding special effects, and even editing your video. It can help with nearly every part of a video production. Why should you consider using AI for video design? There are several benefits involved with AI video production. First, it saves you time. AI can automate repetitive tasks, like finding stock footage or generating background music, freeing you up to focus on the more creative aspects of your project that AI just can't replicate. Second, it can significantly reduce costs. AI tools can often replace the need for expensive software or hiring specialized professionals, especially for the sort of smaller projects that noobs like me tend to do. Lastly, AI video design is more accessible to people than ever. The technology is more accessible and easier to use than traditional video design software. Okay, enough of my tiresome rambling. Let's talk about some popular AI video design tools. For scripts, I personally use toolbaz.com. It's free and even better, you don't even need an account to use it. Less usernames and passwords that you have to remember. Just enter the topic into the prompt and it'll develop a whole script from start to finish. Of course, if you want to make little edits here and there, you can copy and paste it into a Google Doc like I did and go nuts. What if I don't want anyone to hear my awful voice? I use Hume AI. My actual voice is rather flat and monotone due to my Asperger's syndrome. So what I did was type up a description of the sort of voice I wanted and entered a short little blurb for the sample, and then hit generate until it gave me a voice I could live with. You can even give acting instructions to improve the quality of the audio. I don't want anyone to see my face. I value my privacy. AI has a solution for that too. Leonardo AI allows you to create an avatar by entering a description into a prompt and generate 4 images per generation for 4 generations. How do I put the two together? I don't just want to use some boring image. I want my character to move and speak. Now, for me, this was the tricky part. After several tries, I eventually stumbled across Kling AI, which allows you to input your avatar and a prompt to generate a video and then use that video in tandem with your audio for lip syncing. Now, all of these are under the assumption that you, the viewers, are running Windows 10. In that case, you'll need Photos Legacy for the actual video. Mind you, as you can see, it isn't perfect, but since this is only a novice level video, it doesn't need to be perfect. And voila! You just made your first video using AI. Please leave a link to your creations in the comments section. I'd like to see what you came up with.